Hi everyone, this is Heidi from the Open House, and we are here in District 6 today at Clarke Quay to show you this up-and-coming mixed residential development by powerhouse developers CDL and Capitaland. Canninghill Piers has been a talk of the town, and we have already seen overwhelming demand and snaking queues for this Showflat.
It's good luck when I'm like, oh, so put you. Whipping in the car with you. Whipping in the car with you. Yo, yo. Whipping in the car with you. Yo, yo. Whipping in the car with you. Yo, yo. Whipping in the car with you. Yo, yo.
Canninghill Piers is also in a really unique location where it's directly facing the Singapore River, and it has a hill as a backing, which is the Fort Canning Park. Some of the units in the development also have really fantastic views, which include views of Robertson Quay as well as all the way to Marina Bay Sands. So where else can you find such an iconic mixed development that actually has all of these views and is also centrally located in town with underground access directly to Fort Canning MRT? Canninghill Piers is where the former Liang Court used to be. So once it has completed building, it will take on the addresses of 1 Clarke Quay and 5 Clarke Quay, with a total of 696 residential units in total. 5 Clarke Quay is a 24 stories, 100 meters tall building, and 1 Clarke Quay will be a 48 stories, 180 meters tall building, which makes it the tallest residential building along the Singapore River. On top of the shopping podium Canninghill Square is where you'll find Canninghill Garden on level 3, with a 330 meters jogging track, a bouldering wall, as well as an adventure theme area for kids. Residential units will therefore start from level 4 onwards, 80 meters above ground, right above the Canninghill Garden, to ensure that your views will not be blocked by the Clarke Quay Conservation Area. There is also a sky bridge on level 24 connecting both Block 1 and Block 5, where most of your facilities are at. So hurry up and contact us to book a slot for the preview before it's completely sold out. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to own a part of this iconic development that will take the center stage of the entire Clarke Quay.